Understanding noise level monitor, a key tool for peaceful environments. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that's quite useful in various settings, especially those related to education and workplace environments. Noise level monitor. Understanding this concept can help you better navigate English-speaking environments, particularly when discussing classroom management or workplace productivity. So, let's get started. A noise level monitor refers to a device or system used to measure and display the level of sound in a particular area. These devices are critical in environments where maintaining a certain noise level is essential for concentration, communication, and overall comfort. They can be simple, showing basic noise levels through lights or numbers, or sophisticated, offering detailed data on sound frequencies and volumes. In essence, it's like a thermometer for sound, helping us keep the auditory environment within comfortable or regulatory limits. Noise level monitors play a vital role in various settings. In schools, they help create a conducive learning environment by alerting when classroom noise exceeds productive levels. In workplaces, they ensure that the noise doesn't distract employees or hinder communication. In public places, like libraries or hospitals, they maintain a calm atmosphere for concentration and recovery. Understanding and respecting noise levels can significantly enhance the quality of our environments, making them healthier and more productive for everyone involved. Using a noise level monitor involves several steps. 1. Placement. Position the monitor in a central location where it can accurately gauge the room's average noise level. 2. Setting thresholds. Determine the appropriate noise levels for your setting. This might vary depending on the time of day or the specific activities taking place. 3. Monitoring and adjusting. Regularly check the monitor and adjust your environment as needed. This might mean reminding individuals to lower their voices or making physical changes to the space to reduce echo or background noise. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of a noise level monitor and its significance in maintaining productive, comfortable, and healthy environments. Whether you're a teacher looking to manage your classroom, an employee seeking a more focused workspace, or just someone curious about creating a more pleasant auditory environment, understanding and utilizing noise level monitors can make a significant difference. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.